Welcome to Empowered Health, your go-to channel for natural remedies and wellness tips. In this video, we will explore effective home remedies for treating cough and cold in babies. Additionally, we'll discuss some traditional Asian remedies that have been used for generations to provide relief and support the healing process. Remember, always consult a pediatrician before trying any new treatment on your baby. Now, let's delve into 9 home remedies that can help alleviate cough and cold symptoms in babies. Maintain adequate hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for managing cough and cold symptoms. Offer your baby frequent feeds of breast milk or formula to keep them hydrated. In traditional Asian remedies, warm water infused with a pinch of turmeric or ginger is often given to soothe the throat and provide relief from coughing. These natural ingredients possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help alleviate symptoms. Elevate sleeping position. Raising your baby's head slightly during sleep can ease nasal congestion and aid breathing. Place a rolled-up towel or blanket under the crib mattress to create a gentle incline. In some Asian cultures, parents place a few books under the crib legs to elevate the head end. This practice helps prevent mucus from accumulating in the nasal passages and promotes easier breathing. Use saline nasal drops. Saline nasal drops are commonly used in both Western and Asian remedies to relieve nasal congestion. In Asian cultures, a homemade saline solution is prepared by dissolving a pinch of salt in warm water. Use a dropper to instill a few drops into each nostril, followed by gentle suction with a rubber bulb syringe. This process helps clear nasal passages and reduce congestion. Maintain moisture in the air. Adding moisture to the air can help alleviate cough and cold symptoms. In traditional Asian remedies, steam inhalation is often used to clear nasal passages. Sit in a steamy bathroom with your baby for a few minutes or use a humidifier in the room. Some Asian households also burn dried herbs like eucalyptus, peppermint, or camphor to create a soothing, aromatic atmosphere. Gentle chest rubs. Massaging a baby's chest with a natural balm can provide relief from coughing and congestion. In Asian cultures, a traditional remedy involves gently rubbing warm mustard oil infused with crushed garlic onto the baby's chest. Mustard oil possesses warming properties and garlic has antimicrobial effects. This combination helps soothe the respiratory system and alleviate discomfort. Herbal teas and warm fluids. In Asian traditions, herbal teas are commonly used to treat cough and cold symptoms. Chamomile tea, infused with a small amount of honey, if your baby is over 1 year old, can help soothe coughs and promote relaxation. Another popular remedy is ginger tea, which has warming properties and helps relieve congestion. Offer these teas in small sips to keep your baby hydrated and comfortable. Turmeric milk. In many Asian cultures, turmeric milk is a well-known remedy for cough and cold. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. To prepare turmeric milk, mix a pinch of turmeric powder with warm milk. Adding a small amount of honey can enhance the taste and provide additional soothing benefits. This remedy can help alleviate coughing and boost your baby's immunity. Nutritious foods and supplements. A healthy diet plays a vital role in supporting your baby's immune system. Offer nutrient-rich foods like steamed vegetables, fruits,